Now, welcome my viewers. Let's consider another question here. You have to simplify cube root of 8a to the power of minus 6, right? Let's go with this. Now, this kind of question, you need to be very, very careful when solving it. Okay? That's what it was brainstorming. So let's go. Now, we have to simplify cube root of 8a to the power of what? Minus 6, right? Now, what I'm going to do here is what? Is that we are going to try to consider this minus that is here. Because we cannot find the cube root of what? Minus 6. It's not possible because the negative sign is there. Even though we can find the cube root of 8, what about this minus 6? It's a problem. Now remember your law. This is what they call negative law, right? If I have x to the power of minus 1, you know I said it's going to be 1 over x. Isn't it? Very good. What about if I have x to the power of what? Minus 2. Don't forget, this minus is what? It means the inverse of what? X. Inverse of x. That'll give us what? Minus what? That'll give us x to the power of what? Minus 2. Okay? So I'm going to have 1 over x to the power of what? 2. That's what this one simply means. The minus means what? The inverse of x. Why the 2 belong to what? Belong to the x. Okay? It belongs to the board x because x owns the word the power. Okay? Good. Now when I have something like this now, what am I going to do now? First is that I need to what? I'm going to try to equate this, separate these two first. 8 times what? 8 to the power of minus 6. Now, because we're going to have this same number back. Now let's go. I'm going to have cube root again. Now, don't forget that I said minus is more, this minus means inverse of a, so let's do that. I'm going to have 8 times what? Let's go 1 over what? A, right? 6 for what? Is for a. I'm going to put 6 at the top of what? The a, because that's the power of a. Now let's go. I'm going to multiply this 8 and this one. That'll give us what? That'll give us cube root of 8 over 8 to the power of what? 6. Are we good now? Now what are we doing next? We can equate, this one has a cube root, this one does not have a cube root. But there's a way we can actually what? Do it that they're going to have the same what? The same exponent. How are we going to do that? Let's go. So we are going to be having cube root of 2 to the power of 3 will give us what? Will give us this 8, right? And y over 8 to the power of what? 2. Let's say you have 3 times 2 give us what? Will give us this 6. Isn't it? You can see that this one and this one actually have the same power now, right? Isn't it? Or it can also be something like, let's say we have something like 2 times 3 now. That's actually the same thing again, Abby. Good. Now, in this case now, I'm going to consider what now, put it in what? In one bracket. So let's go. So I'm going to be having it as, I'm going to have cube root of, so let's say we're going to do it now. I'm going to have 2 over what? A squared. I can have 2 over a squared. They're all to the power of what? 3. Just like what we have in this place, because we have the same what? The same exponent here. I just decided to put everything in what? In one bracket. Okay. That's it. I cannot put 2 because 2 does not have any family to do with this tree. It doesn't have anything to do with this tree. They're not the same thing. Now, because I have to just take one as the same thing. This one is actually the same thing, right? So I just bring this to in, and why I put everything what? In 3. Are we good now? That's very, very nice. So now next is what now? To equate this and cancel this now. So go to our final answer as what? 2 over a squared. It makes sense, right? Now tell me now, why can't you share it and like the video and save it for future purpose, okay? Now, once again, to stay to my video, I'll say about my next video. Thank you. Peace out.